Good morning, students. So, yesterday we discussed about the process of irrigation, sources of irrigation, and factors on which irrigation depends. So, today we are going to continue with our topic. Today's we discussed about the methods of irrigation. It is divided into two parts. First is traditional methods, second is modern methods. So first we discussed about traditional methods. First is moat or pulley system. Second is chain pump. Third is dhekli. And fourth is rahat. So what is moat or pulley system? It is one of the simplest and cheapest method of irrigation. In this, water is drawn from the well by bucket attached to the rope. The rope is passed over a pulley and fixed to a animal. As the animal walk forward and the bucket is full of water comes out and carried to the field. It requires human and animal labor. Look at this diagram. In this, water is drawn from the well, that is the water source, by bucket attached to the rope. The rope is passed over a pulley and the another part of the rope is fixed to an animal. As the animal walks forward, the bucket full of water comes out and carried to the fields by manually. Disadvantages of this method is uneven distribution of water, and so this method is less efficient. Also, it requires human labor. Next traditional method is chain pump. In this method, two wheels are attached with a chain. As the chain moves up, and many various buckets are attached to the wheels. As the chains moves up, the water is collected in the bucket and they pour the water out. Then the water flows into the field with the help of man-made canals. Third traditional method is dhekli. It is a traditional system of irrigation which is used rod and container to get water from the well manually or pour it into the field. This causes a lot of water wastage, so nowadays people do not use this method of irrigation. Next method is rahat. This system of irrigation requires large well in which a wheel is used and many buckets are attached to a wheel, and the wheel is turned by the oxen, bull or buffalo. To get the water out of well, then water spread out over the crops through the man-made canal. Now we discussed about modern methods. First is sprinkler system, second is drip irrigation method. This method involves the application of water similar to a natural rainfall. A system of pipes distributes water through sprinkler in the form of spray into the air, thus breaking up the water into the small drops that falls on the ground. इस मेथड में जो वाटर एप्लीकेट होता है टू द प्लांट्स एक नेचुरल रेनफॉल की तरह होता है, जैसे बारिश आती है. इसमें एक सिस्टम ऑफ पाइप्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है, वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं स्प्रिंकलर थ्रू द स्प्रिंकलर की हेल्प से इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्प्रे. जैसे हम स्प्रे करते हैं ना एयर में, उस फॉर्म में, जिससे क्या होता है जो वाटर है वो ड्रॉप्स में चेंज हो जाता है और वो ड्रॉप्स की फॉर्म में ही ग्राउंड पर गिरता है. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम इज़ हाईली यूनिफॉर्मिटी. मीन्स इसका मतलब ये है कि इससे क्या होता है कि जो पानी है वो बिल्कुल यूनिफॉर्मली स्प्रेड होता है पूरे फील्ड में. नेक्स्ट इज लेस लेबर इनपुट, इसमें ज़्यादा लेबर की नीड नहीं होती. डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दिस मेथड इज विंड इफेक्ट इज कंसिडरेबल, मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट किसका होता है इस पर, विंड का, हवा का. इन विच डायरेक्शन winds move the water is also moves up in that direction, जिस डायरेक्शन में विंड मूव करती है उसी डायरेक्शन में ही वाटर भी मूव करता है. नेक्स्ट मॉडर्न इरिगेशन मेथड इज ड्रिप इरिगेशन. दिस मेथड इन्वॉल्व्स द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ वाटर टू द सॉइल एट द बेस ऑफ each plant through the use of water deliver pipe. The pipeline may be placed on the ground or buried few inches below the surface of soil. ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम में जो वाटर है वो डायरेक्टली प्लांट्स के बेस पे ही दिया जाता है, ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप करके. और इससे क्या होता है, एक तो वाटर की वेस्टेज नहीं होती और प्रॉपर जितना प्लांट्स को वाटर चाहिए होता है वो उन्हें प्रॉपरली मिल जाता है. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ दिस मेथड इज़, फर्स्ट इज़ लेस वाटर यूज़, मतलब पानी कम से कम यूज़ होता है, जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना ही, कोई वेस्टेज नहीं होती इसमें वाटर की. इसको ऑपरेट करना भी बहुत ईजी है. इट रिक्वायर्स लो एनर्जी, इसमें एनर्जी की भी बहुत कम नहीं. डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ दिस मेथड इज़ द इनिशियल इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस इज़ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. स्टार्टिंग में इसको इंस्टॉल करना, पूरे फील्ड में स्प्रेड करना पाइप्स को, इससे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. सेकेंड इज हाई कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंसिव, और कॉस्ट भी ज़्यादा लगती है इसमें. टुडेज होमवर्क इज, व्हाट आर द राइट एंड लर्न दीज क्वेश्चंस इन नोटबुक. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ ड्रिप इरिगेशन एंड स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन सिस्टम. द आंसर इज, advantages of sprinkler system is, first is high uniformity, second is less labor input. Disadvantage of sprinkler system is wind effects considerable, in which direction winds move the water is also moves up in that direction. Now advantages of drip irrigation is, first is less water use, second is easy operation, third is it requires low energy. Disadvantages, number one is the initial installation procedure is time consuming, second is high cost of expenses. Next question is, explain traditional methods of irrigation. Next question is, explain traditional methods of irrigation. Traditional method of irrigations are, first is motor pulley system, second is chain pump, third is dhekli, fourth is rahat. First is motor pulley system. Is one of the simplest and cheapest method of irrigation. In this, water is drawn from the well by bucket attached to the rope. The rope is passed over a pulley and fixed to an animal. As the animal walks forward and the bucket full of water comes out, carried to the field. It requires human and animal labor. Next is chain pump. In chain pump methods, two wheels are used and the wheels are moved by the chain. Various buckets are attached. These wheels are turned. The water is collected in bucket and pour the water out. The water flows into the field with the help of man-made canal. Next is Rahat. It is a traditional method of irrigation. This system of irrigation requires large well in which a wheel is used. Numerous buckets are attached to the wheels. Wheel is turned by oxen, buffaloes or cows to get the water out of well. Then the water spread out over the crop. Next is dhekli. In this method, rod and container are used to get water from the well. Farmer had to take out water manually and pass it into the field. This causes a lot of water wastage. Thank you.